Understanding the phrase, dull movie. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another exciting English language learning session. Today, we are going to explore a common phrase we often hear about movies, dull movie. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you express your opinion about movies in English more precisely. So, let's dive in and find out what makes a movie dull, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversation. In English, dull is an adjective that describes something that is not exciting or interesting. It can make you feel bored or uninterested. When you think something lacks life, brightness, or vibrancy, dull is the word that may come to mind. In the context of a movie, dull suggests that the film is not engaging to the audience. It may lack an interesting plot, dynamic characters, or exciting special effects, making viewers feel that their time is not well spent. A dull movie may have several characteristics that lead people to label it as such. It could be due to a slow-paced storyline, lack of action or drama, poor character development, or simply because it fails to capture the audience's attention. Sometimes a movie is called dull when it is predictable or has been seen as offering nothing new or innovative in terms of storytelling or cinematic technique. Using dull movie in a sentence is pretty straightforward. Here are a few examples. I thought the film was a dull movie because I almost fell asleep halfway through. Critics have described the new sci-fi release as a surprisingly dull movie. After watching the trailer, I expected an exciting film, but it turned out to be quite dull. In these sentences, the phrase, dull movie, clearly expresses the speaker's disappointment and the unimpressive nature of the film. It's important to note that dull does not always mean that a movie is bad. A movie might be dull due to personal preference or because it aims to focus on deep, contemplative themes that do not resonate with all viewers. Moreover, dull should not be confused with calm or quiet, which can be positive qualities for some genres of film, like introspective dramas or documentaries. If you find yourself watching a dull movie, you can respond in a few ways. Stop watching and choose another movie that seems more engaging. Give the movie a chance to see if it improves as it progresses. Discuss with friends what made the movie dull for you and hear their perspectives. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, dull movie. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use this phrase to describe a less than thrilling cinematic experience. Remember, what's dull to one person may be intriguing to another, so always share your movie reviews with kindness and respect for differing opinions. Happy movie watching and learning, and we'll see you in the next video.